Right, I'll try and keep this as short and sweet. Just showing you the analysis for today's trade. Basically, I wanted to be, excuse me, I wanted to be waiting for the valid setup, as we always talk about, the pullback to the overbought area, the 100 level on this CCI, and then enter the trade when the 80 CCI drops, in other words prints a bigger bar. So what happened was I came into my charts, I looked through half a dozen charts, more than usual actually today, because there was a lot of sideways movement because of two news items, one at 8 AM, which was the euro, to do with Spanish unemployment or something like that, I think, and one at 9:30, which was to do with the pound, which is now gone because we're at 10:30 UK time, which was red news. The euro news was orange news, which is lower importance. Red is the highest importance. And so I had to do what I often do, is write my analysis. So you can put anything in the text box there. That's what I did on the previous video that I got disturbed with. So just put what I think might happen. Wait for a pullback to the purple, for example. I put my arrow telling me where I want to be going. This is because I do flick through the other charts, and I do a similar thing to this and just take the first setup that comes. That's why the other trade, the previous day's trade, was a GJ short and big old move, but that moved so quickly, you know, it did about 300 or 400 pips yesterday, I think, or well over 3, and this thing will crawl. You know, we're looking at 60 pips. I managed to get 9 pips net out of this. I had to suffer a little bit of drawdown because it bounced around this support area. Obviously this is the support that created the pullback, and not drawdown, rather. I had to suffer a little bit of it went into profit, and then I had to suffer some sideways, so slightly out of profit and then back into profit, and I got my my required amount of pips today. So so back to this. So I drew the line, the trajectory, I always have problems saying that, to the 30 to the moving average, and then what I hope to see happen, and that's what it does. You know, these repeatable patterns is what I'm trying to show you. I'm not trying to show you how to trade. I'm just showing you the repeatability of the setups, so that you can just wait for them to come to you. So drew that pullback there on there, drew the other line on there telling me what I wanted price to actually do, or what I wanted to wait for, and I took the trade as a result of the 80 CCI printing larger on here after the 8 CCI had hit the 100 level, and that's it. That's today's trade. Thank you for watching.